I've described this story, I think, some time ago to you of Jon Kabat Zinn, who is the teacher of mindfulness in hospitals now, hundreds of them throughout America. He began his work training people in mindfulness in the basement of the medical center in Massachusetts, in the medical school. And the only people that he would see were the ones that the doctors had given up on. And he would say, that's fine, I'll be down in the basement, and after you've done the surgery and tried the medications and done all the things, those people whom you're unable to help, send them down to me, because I have the strongest medicine of all. And what was the medicine that he had? The strongest medicine of all. The great medicine that he offered was people would come down with intractable pain and all kinds of suffering that they'd tried everything else to do. And he said, fine, we will sit with this and face it as the truth of your experience. We will sit with the truth of what is so for you in a mindful way, accepting what is true. And no matter what was brought to him, he said, yes, we will sit with this also. And that's why he was unafraid to take whoever came down. He said, yeah, we have the best medicine, the big guns, when everything else fails. That is to be here with what is true.